Hello. On behalf of all of our hardworking associates, I'd like to welcome you to the Exmark headquarters in Beatrice, Nebraska. Although we've all dealt with significant adversity in 2020, I've never been more excited than I am today about the future of our business. Like many of you, we've tried to turn the challenges of the last several months into opportunities. The opportunity to improve, the opportunity to learn, and most importantly, the opportunity to innovate. Through our team's efforts, we've set a course for a very exciting future for Exmark, our valued partners, and our customers. Whether we're talking about the present or the future of the Exmark business, there's one topic that we always discuss, the Laser Z. In fact, in 2020, we celebrated the 25th anniversary of the Laser Z product with coordinated social media campaigns that included interesting product facts, customer stories, and merchandise giveaways. Needless to say, we're committed to the advancement of this very important product and look forward to the next 25 years. Speaking of the future, let's take a look at what's ahead in 2021.
Hey guys, I'm excited to tell you about some of the innovations we've been working on right here from our Beatrice, Nebraska headquarters, where we build many of the Exmark products. Today, I'm going to start with the 96-inch Laser Z diesel. We've updated the hood on this machine for 2021. The new large air intake screen allows for cleaner, cooler air across the radiator, leading to reduced temperatures and increased engine life. Not only did we increase the size of the screen, but we've also brought it up away from the clipping area to reduce the potential for debris to plug the screen. Next, I'm going to talk about Exmark's exclusive airless drive tires, Tractus. Let's go check it out. Eliminating flats was the goal of the product, but it's the additional benefits that really give the Tractus more value over any other NPT in the market. Reduced maintenance and 3 to 5 times the wear of pneumatic tires, along with reduced compaction, help give a consistent quality of cut. The innovative webbing design prevents damage from propagating, and ride quality is also improved due to removal of tire rebound. It all adds up to a more comfortable experience for a superior quality of cut.
Hello everyone, here in the Exmark offices today, I wanted to tell you a little bit about why we redesigned the Exmark Quest, our premium residential zero-turn rider. The main goals of the redesign were to improve cut quality and overall performance of the machine. The new side pods provide even better visibility of the height of cut system. The updated cutting deck improves discharge and spread of clippings, leaving you with that signature Exmark quality of cut. The Quest is available in both E and S series with new engine offerings and deck sizes paired with updated styling. The E series comes with a Kohler engine and is available in 34, 42, and 50-inch cut widths. The S series comes with an Exmark engine and is available in a 54-inch cut width and has a new drop pin height of cut system. All this adds up to a new 2021 Quest line that lives up to Exmark's legendary heritage.
Hi everyone, I'm here at Exmark Park, which is one of the many locations we use to test and evaluate all of our products. Today, I wanted to share with you what's new for our turf management products in 2021. All Exmark turf management products will be moving to the Z Turf Equipment brand, which is part of the Exmark family of products. Joining the Z Turf Equipment lineup in 2021, which currently includes our Z Spray spreader sprayers, are the 24-inch and 30-inch stand-on Z Aerate machines, along with a 20-inch Z Seed slicer seeder. Z Turf Equipment has also added more than 700 North American dealers, making it easier than ever for customers to get the parts and service support they need to keep their machines running and productive.
2020 has been everything but your normal year. We wish we could have been with you all at GIE in Louisville, Kentucky. But wanted to extend a big thank you to our customers, partners, and everyone who is part of the Exmark family. We're working to make 2021 an incredible year, and we can't wait to go through it with you all.